Yes, this is Cinema, a home of blood sucking hose. The crane has fault, so they are working on it. The welders, electricians, and the Chinese, they are working on the crane. Look at them. The crane could not move throughout that yesterday, so it was a big challenge to the company. As you can see, this is 𝐜𝐫𝐚𝐧𝐞, Delta State Warri. See the buildings. This is a specialist hospital. See, that one is finished already, and this one too. We have 9 buildings, and in the 9 buildings, I think they are done with 5 buildings. Yes, this is the second floor. I'm in the second floor. Then look at pillars. This is basement. We call this basement. Why is it called basement? Because it is underground. People are working there. They are still doing their piling. The piling work is still going on. As you can see, they are still drilling. They are drilling the pile. They do the casting, the piling, see bags of cement. They are ready for work, and they are working very hard. I'm in the second floor. This is Delta State. The second floor, and as you can see, that is the airport. The airport is close by. This is $1 billion project. Yeah, let me view this, my crane controller. How do they call you? Yes, the rigger, right? Yes, this is the rigger that runs up and down. That is his job. The rigger. No, you have boots there now. You have your boots there. It's a nice video. The rigger is just waiting for them to set up the crane so that he can resume his work, but they will still pay him as far as he's here. It is very, very necessary. Yes, it's this Chinese